Hello fellow traders, this is Jeff Parks, the system architect of the Octave system. I just want to do a recap on last week before the market opens in about a couple hours, and the recap is simple. Octave was dialed in on the pound dollar and it did numerous buy signals on that particular pair, and we basically wrote that pair up with numerous signals all the way up to the very end before the market actually closed, which it actually did really good. The market overall was extremely choppy last week. The charts are just all over the place. I mean, it was up, down, 50 this way, 70 that way. It was just a mess, you know, and a lot of people were like, what the heck is going on with the markets, you know what I'm saying? But Octave did its best to follow along. We did get lots of good trades in. Some trades had to be cut short. I did make some posts about that. But what I'm going to do is put in the description a recent article and video that covers one of the economic events that did happen last week, which was the Fed minutes. Now, a lot of people trade, but they don't actually know what they're trading, and they don't actually see the underlying fundamentals of what's going on in the markets. However, Octave does. But just to understand, want you to understand just how complex things get, you know, how quickly the shit hits the fan. If you're interested in actually knowing what really happened last week on top of what's going on with North Korea and stuff like that, y'all might also want to look into the Fed minutes. And even the Fed, you know, the Federal Reserve, they're basically saying the same thing as like, wow, the economy is like shot to shit, you know what I'm saying? So I'd recommend you take a look at this video, read the article. It's not that long, but at least you'll get up to date on what's going on with the financial markets. The reason I'm not going to rehash all this is because if you're really interested, you'll take the time to actually read this article, and you'll be in line with what I already know and what other professional traders know as well. So, till next time, market's getting ready to open up, so let's have a good week, guys.